Court, a small-budget multilingual drama, will represent India at 88th Academy Awards. This is a rare case which attracted all-round positive response from the film folk. See more at http://www.midgay.com/articles/industry-folk. Hail the selection of Marathi Film Court for the Oscars /16,557,195 #S #1p.deeper. It is finally official. Court, Chaitanya Tamhane's multilingual art house drama, which struggled long for a theatrical release, has been chosen as India's contender in the foreign language film category at the 2016 Oscars. Earlier this year, it had bagged the Best Feature Film honor at the 62nd National Film Awards apart from 20-odd international awards, including the Lion of the Future and Best Film in the Horizonte category at last year's Venice International Film Festival. Also read, Marathi Film Court, chosen as India's official entry for Oscars. See more at http://www.midgay.com/articles/industry-folk. Hail the selection of Marathi Film Court for the Oscars /16,557,195 #S #00f1p.deeper. For the official entry to the 88th Academy Awards, the low-budget movie sans big names edged past strong contenders like Bahubali, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, PK and Piku. In fact, until yesterday, Tamil movie Kakamattai was said to be leading the race to the Oscar competition. But now, Court, which highlighted the working of India's bureaucracy-ridden judicial system, is being labelled as a worthy choice for Oscar consideration. This is also the first time in years that the selection has not generated difference of opinion or dissent among industry folk. Also read, Court Movie Review. See more at http://www.midgay.com/articles/industry-folk. Hail the selection of Marathi Film Court for the Oscars /16,557,195 #S #00f1p.deeper. Filmmaker Amol Gupta says, Court is a good choice. My pick, however, was Killer. His contemporary, Sudhir Misra, welcomes the decision of the Film Federation of India jury headed by Amol Palkar and states, Court is a wonderful choice. I congratulate Amol and his team for the fantastic selection. The way the story has been told is great. It has a unique voice, an ability which is rare and shows the direction that new Indian cinema is headed in. See more at http://www.midgay.com/articles/industry-folk. Hail the selection of Marathi Film Court for the Oscars /16,557,195 #S #00f1p.deeper. Related over the news, Court director Chaitanya Tamhane, who is currently in Japan, issued a statement that reads, At every juncture of the film's journey, we have felt that it has given us more than we could ever imagine. Once again, this has come as a genuine surprise to both my actor, producer and me. Ever since we started working on the film, we kept our expectations low, especially in this case, Oscar selection, since these results tend to be so unpredictable. It just felt like a wise thing to not expect too much. Now that it has actually happened, we would like to thank the jury for its decision and everyone who has supported the film so far. See more at http://www.midgay.com/articles/industry-folk. Hail the selection of Marathi Film Court for the Oscars /16,557,195 #S #00f1p.deeper. Well-known theatre actress Geetanjali Kulkarni, who played a public prosecutor in the film, recalls how Mike took the responsibility of producing the film, which was struggling to get a financier on board. I must say he did a good job and fulfilled his responsibility. He never got into mathematics of production, otherwise the film would not have reached the audience. It was Chaitanya's debut film and whenever he approached people, they told him it should be his fifth film and not the first one. However, he was ready to take a risk and went ahead with his conviction. He was not scared of failure or rejection. The team dedicated its time to work on post-production and patiently waited for its release, she adds. Also read, Court director Chaitanya Tamhane surprised at making Oscar cut with so many big films in the race for the Oscar selection. The Court team hardly had any expectations of making it through, admits Geetanjali and adds, this is the first time that a film which won a national award is going to the Oscars. Incidentally, that announcement about national award win also came when our film was about to release, which helped us immensely. An events in association with Free Hard Rock Entertainment presents Dubai Dandiya Festival 2015, the biggest Dandiya festival in Dubai, which will feature Falguni Pathak this October. See more at http://www.midgay.com/articles/Falguni Pathak to perform at Dubai Dandiya Festival 2015 /16,558,183 #S #xd8dsxpp.deeper. Dubai Dandiya Festival is an annual event celebrating Navratri in Dubai on a global marketing platform with the Queen of Dandiya, Falguni Pathak. See more at http://www.midgay.com/articles/how Unipath actor perform at New Mandia Festival 2015/16,558,183 #s#.xd8dsxpp.dpuff. Several names from Hollywood and Hollywood will also be joining in on the celebrations. See more at http://www.midgay.com/articles/how Unipath actor perform at New Mandia Festival 2015/16,558,183 #s#.xd8dsxpp.dpuff.